gwahanol sydd wedi bod yma heddiw yn cefnogi'r diwrnod. Dwi'n swyddog amgylchu Cyngor Gwynedd. Da ni wedi bod yma heddiw yma yn cydweithio efo Adra ar y Diwrnod Amgylcheddol i godi ymwybyddiaeth efo pobl mewn sgyrchan a tan y bryn i waredu gwasanaeth mewn ffordd gyfrifol. Da ni wedi cael diwrnod da, diwrnod prysur, lot o amgylchu, lot o wastraff, lot o sgipia. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
We've also got a fantastic little team of young people who are always a benefit and have always inputted into things we do on the estate, who are actually doing a litter pick. That's been successful. We've collected in excess of 20 full bags of litter. So I just want to go thank you to the young people at my sgechan. So all in all, it's been a fantastic day. And I'd like to go back and thank Adra and host the day.